I don't understand why you guys gotta change the grips on your big dogs. There ain't nothing wrong with them gold dang grips. Ain't nothing wrong with them. You know, those grips ain't cheap either. But here we have the Big Dog Motorcycles 2006 service manual. If you have a big dog, you have to have one of these. And these ain't cheap. I paid $280 for this. And we're going to look in here to see how you take the grips off. As you see, they don't even come indexed. I had to do this myself. So we're going to look in the chapter here. Handlebars and controls. Section 2-9. Okay. Now I'm going to see if there's any literature to this. Alright, that's the left one. That's the right lever. So I would assume the left one is probably glued on. You might, but what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove the control unit, and those are, I believe those are bolts. So you have to take your mirror off. You have to take your clutch cable off, and you have to take the whole unit off the handlebars. Then you might be able to blow compressed air in and remove that grip. I'm pretty sure that left grip is glued on. Now the right grip, of course, is not glued on. The right grip, there's grooves. Hold on a minute, hold on, let me get my knife, I'll use it as a pointer. See, these grooves right here go inside the aluminum housing. So you have to take your mirror off, and this unbolts. And then once it unbolts, this will, the throttle will slide out along with the cables. That's how these come off. So these units have to be unbolted and taken away from the bike in order for them to come off. I'm pretty sure the left one, I'm pretty sure that's glued on. Because mostly all of them are glued on bikes. I've never taken these off, so I'm not 100% sure that's glued on. But there's no grooves in this, so it probably is. Probably is glued onto the handlebar right in there.